Hey guys, I'm
Sup?
Crashers.
Sup?
Doing some more Skyblock crap. As you can see, there's two pathways. One that is really straight and douchey. Ah, crap, that was random.
That's what she said. And you're not gonna melt, are you?
Yes!
I'm melting!
And now you're falling off the face of the earth. No, I'm nowhere near any of you. Wow, you're going to the dirt one. That's really hardcore.
Oh, yeah,
There's
oh,
mossy
shit!
cobblestone at the bottom.
I'm going at the wrong one. I was gonna go to the... Damn it.
Stop raining.
I'm not gonna do that.
Yeah, Quinn, use your psychic powers of Spanish Mexican.
Para lloviendo, ahorita.
Yeah, I really don't know what you just said, and I don't care because I don't like Spanish people. No, I'm kidding. I hate Spanish people. Anyway. Except for Jose. Jose is pretty freaking cool. So if I fall on something, will the rain, like, make it settle my fall or whatever? Whoa, okay. I almost died horribly. There's a squid in the waterfall. That's retarded.
The squid. Hey, I'm in the water right now. I'm gonna get this one. Come on, no!
Nope. I just watched you fall off. Okay, yeah. Hey, let's all claim a tower each. I get this one. Since I've already
I call the nether one. Here, guys.
Nether tower.
We need to light up our paths. So we're just gonna spawn monsters. Here,
Let's get
Daniel.
typed in.
I need. Well, put
Hi.
it in.
Hi, Bob. Okay, let's see if I don't fail. Give Rifleman 296. Wait, no. 64 cobblestone. What the? What?
Yeah,
Your servers. Oh, hi.
okay.
Skyblock. Why not?
Yay!
Hey, Daniel.
I fell.
Daniel.
That's what she
I'm
said.
gonna need some of your coal.
What?
I need some of your coal.
You need some more coal. Oh, yeah. Just dig down right here, okay? Dig down right there.
Okay.
What's talking?
Wait, you're not gonna like kill me, right? Alright, okay.
Here.
Getting,
Just don't take that much. Hey, unicorn lovers.
Yeah, I got enough. It's kinda lame. I just fell! I'm dying! No!
Finish the bridge first. Now he'll be okay.
Joaquin, why are you crying?
Because I died!
Doing a Mexican cry. No.
Whatever,
It wasn't supposed to be
everything I lost. I'm the forest and I'm digging a hole.
Ah!
Diggy dig.
Dig a hole, dig a
And that when I left, you were singing that.
Dig a hole, dig a hole, dig a really big hole. That's what she said. No,
Are you still mad at me, Maggie, for killing you several times?
Several times.
most people would be mad at someone if they killed them several times, multiple or whatever.
Oh,
No, this is Maggie. No.
So, what's your name? Daniel?
Yeah.
Or do you go to Boston?
Yeah.
Don't
I'm
let
on
me
the
fall! You two
Really?
are
I didn't even know that. You should say hi to me.
Ah!
What are your
Just-
elections?
Okay, everyone go away. Go get your own cobblestone platform thing. I'm a jiggy thing. I'm a jig thingy.
Jacob, you can't start spawning items. I'm gonna kick you. I'm gonna kick you off my server because it's my bloody
Kick you
server.
onto his server. That'd be funny if you could kick people onto other people's server. That'd be hilarious. Here, just use cobblestone to get up there. I don't care. Just take it out when you're done. Or fall off and die and I'll do it. 7. I don't... Jake, you just failed. There you go. Yeah! I don't know what that means. I don't want to know what that means. But it's probably something...
Here, finish the bridge, Maggie. I gave you some.
How do you... Wow. It's right there. You were slow too. No, fuck. What's the thing for, no, I don't want to do fences. That'd make it too easy. Should I make a little hut thingy?
So, did you guys hear about Eddie Murphy's new movie? Eddie Murphy in his new movie.
Who's Eddie Murphy? He
Can I
sounds like,
just
oh, he's the
die?
guy
I
that
don't
played
have
the
any
donkey in Shrek. Yeah, I don't know.
That ruined him. That like literally ruined his ass.
I know.
I bet he hates
I'm
himself for doing that.
You can give me $5 million, but I'm not working for Disney. I'm sorry, they jack everything up. I don't care.
Yeah, I did actually.
Yeah, because they swore once in that movie Disney couldn't have made it.
Oh shit! I just died.
So did I.
Fuck!
G-rated, Joaquin.
God! Freaking piece of cobblestone. Yeah. Here, I'm gonna get some of my items back. I'm gonna spawn them because I don't want them.
Here, have a sap. Oh, that's
Daniel, what do you look like?
Ugly.
you. Daniel. Your mama's
That
really
is
ugly.
not nice.
He's filled with acne.
Your mama's full with acne. Yeah, you're beautiful with that red hair too, Jake. Did you ever get rid of that? That's what she said. Yes, it is. Don't judge me.
I need some wood.
How do I add you
I
on
can
my
use my second
contact?
powers to spawn stuff.
Daniel, add me.
Add you on
God damn it! I just died.
296. Stare at my namer tag thing. Oh my. You know what? Notch. Well, I'm playing Minecraft right now. I'm sorry. And I don't trust you guys not to push me off the cliff and viciously murder me. Which I did to you multiple times.
I'm just gonna go ahead and do that.
And you fat. Just get bones. I don't even think bone meal is an IP.
Oh shit, Maggie, you just killed me.
I am
No,
not
there's-
on Minecraft, just so you know.
Wait, Maggie,
I
in
am
8th grade or
fine.
7th
What
grade?
Jerk.
did I do?
You're a jerk.
Wait, everyone here is.
No.
Wait, everyone here is in 8th grade, right?
Yeah.
Okay, just making sure.
Yeah. Alright, so that's gonna be our monster spawner.
Okay, so wait, what's your
Wait,
name?
what? This is my house. You're not allowed to be in here.
It's
I'll
supposed to be
viciously murder you.
we have to make a monster spawner. And that's gonna, because that's the challenge.
Do it on your tower. Oh gosh.
You know what, bro? F you.
You can't hurt me. I don't know why you would bother doing that. And falling into the void, that's not gonna help you.
Oh yeah? Oh yeah? You think?
No. No.
That's a very nice house you have there. What? I need some skill to do this correctly. Why not?
Because- Oh, Jesus Christ. Ha!
Maggie, you have 3 seconds to get out of here before everything blows up.
No! I hate you. Yeah!
Oh shit! Why did you do that, man?
Because this is my house.
Okay, I need some more like coal, dude. I need to get some.
There. No, please go away.
I need some coal.
New contact request. Add me.
Oh shit! Oh,
Yeah, just go down there. Oh, wait, no, wrong place. I think it might be right here. Oh yeah, I just recognized that. We can break stuff now. I can. Okay, there you go. Oh, I'm sorry.
Why is
It's
there a
just I
pig
sort
in
of
the cave?
overreacted when you guys got the TNT.
Why is there a pig in the little cave?
There you go. No.
For pig?
Oh yeah. Move down farther. Okay.
I
Ah,
see one of those.
bastard.
Okay, YouTube, that's it.